This our being is prashanti. That means presence and absence of anything or being has no impact on our being. We have got two types of experiences. One type of experience is having something. Other type of experience is not having anything. Waking and dream is the experience wherein we have something. Deep sleep and samadhi is the experience we have nothing. So waking and dream doesn't add anything to me, and deep sleep and samadhi, I don't lose anything. I remain the same, like the space. The clouds come, thunder, rain go away, space has no problem. Again, another lot of crowds come, only make noise go away, no problem. There is absolute dark, night comes, no problem. The first cloud is the waking experience. Second cloud is the dream experience. The third cloud is the deep sleep experience. They come and go. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? See, friends, knowledge cannot be contaminated. Knowledge cannot be destroyed. Knowledge cannot be absent. That eternal presence is Swatmanubhuti Parama Prashanti. And when we are abiding in our this divine nature, then Truptihi, contentment, fulfillment. ना कुछ पाना ना कुछ खोना. एतद् बुद्ध्वा बुद्धिमान स्यात् कृतकृत्यश्च भारत. Having experienced this, one attains fulfillment in life. There are no loose ends left to be tied again. No. So truptihi, praharsha. Praharsha means that experience which cannot be limited by any description. See? As if the huge burden is reduced. Then Paramatma Nishtha, and then such a person with the predominance of the Sattva Guna, he is now abiding in this divine nature, and as a result, because of this Yaya, Sadananda Rasam Samruchati, is ever cheerful and happy. Now see, what is our life? Our life is we are struggling through all our two types of expressions. Expression of life is either pravrutti, do something to get something, or nivrutti, give up something to lose something. Both of them are aimed at getting happiness. But here the teacher says, Sadananda rasam samruchati. There is no getting or losing bliss that we are. Sadananda rasam, ever blissful. Therefore, this technique we told you, very simple technique. Whatever has to be done, don't do it for getting happiness. Do it happily. Life changes completely. See, whatever you have to talk, talk happily or don't talk. But otherwise, so bitterness comes. No bitterness. And the third is the mind. Expression of life is through body, speech and mind. So if we have to think, if we think happily, we cannot be negative and destructive in life. A happy person will never go and kill somebody. And a bitter person, frustrated, will like to go and kill others. Therefore, he who is abiding in his divine nature through the agency of Sattva Guna helps him.